Hello, Mark M0LXQ here, and I'm going to show you how to program an ICOM ID-31 or ICOM ID-51 handheld using the repeater database available on my website. So, first of all, you can head over to my website m0lxq.com/repeater and you'll have a page similar to this. Don't worry if your page looks different, I am working on this all the time. So first of all, have a look at the output settings here. The first one is limiting your results by distance. If you want to only show repeaters within a certain number of miles from your grid square, or a grid square in the UK, then select this button and you can type in the number of miles and so on that you want. If not, leave it blank and carry on for the rest one. To the next one. I'm going to leave that blank and I'm going to include all statuses of repeaters. Okay, so you could just choose to include operational only, but if there's a repeater that's been reported non-operational and it comes back on air tomorrow, then by having it included in the database, then I know it will be there. I don't plan on updating my radio every single day. Next we'll have a look at repeaters, gateways or both. I want both, so I'm going to have simplex gateways and repeaters. There are a lot of simplex gateways across the country that tend to get forgotten about. The bands to include, because I'm doing this for an ID-51, then I'm going to include 2 and 70. If I was doing this for an ID-31, then I'd remove the 2 meters and just leave 70, because that's all that radio does. Then I come down to the ICOM radios section, and I'm going to have Group 2 UK D-Star. I'm going to leave that to begin with, and I'm going to download the D-Star database. That's downloaded. And then I'm going to use Group number 3. I'm going to call that FM and download the FM database as well. So both of these have completed. I can close the web browser. And then I'm going to come into CS51, the ID-51 programming software, which is available for free on the ICOM website. There is a link on the website as well if you wish to find it, just there, and that will take you to all the latest downloads. I'm going to put all of the repeaters in the digital section. There's a good reason for this. Including the FM ones allows you to search by location and use the radio's GPS settings. You can then find the nearest D-Star and FM repeaters, which is certainly of interest to me. So I'm going to open D-Star to begin with. This is what I've called it in the past. You can call it anything you like. And first of all, I'm going to delete all of my old ones. So I'm going to click on the very first one, scroll all the way down to the bottom, hold Shift and click on the bottom one, and that'll select them all. If I just press the delete key on my keyboard, it will give me a warning. I can press OK, and then they'll all disappear. We'll do the same with the FM. Select the first one, scroll down to the bottom, hold Shift and select them all, press delete, and clear all the FM repeaters as well. Quite a lot of FM repeaters there. So now we can go to File, Import a group. We don't want to import all. And then they will be in my downloads. So I can go this PC, downloads, and make sure I get the right one. So I want D-Star, and here it is. Current sheet will be cleared. Yes, that's fine. Press OK. It will give me a couple of errors. Don't worry about that. And then we can scroll down and we can see what we've got. We get 2 random blank lines at the bottom. We can delete these. Then we can go to FM and do exactly the same again. File, import, group, FM. Are you sure? Yes. Same error message at the end, and again we'll have these 2 blank lines. We can just delete those. And that's it, done. You'll notice that the FM gateways appear more towards the bottom than the top. And then the repeaters are at the top, should I say. I can now save that. Close it, and then I can just put that straight onto my SD card and read it into the memory of the radio. So I plan on updating this on a fairly regular basis and developing this further. If you have any radio requests, please get in touch. You can use the contact button on the website and speak to me anytime. Thanks a lot for watching.